In southern Germany, there are many old buildings. Most of them are getting renovated now, like for example the Zenshoe, which is an old barn in Eberatzel. But why do they renovate or refurbish old buildings instead of building new ones? What challenges does monument protection pose? What is the situation like in Eberatzel in terms of sustainability? The really good news is that refurbishing an old building causes less CO2 emissions. The old rooms have higher heat loss, which leads to exceeding CO2 emissions partly due to insulation. New heating systems and insulation will reduce these CO2 emissions due to less energy use. Furthermore, original materials from the building can be reused so you can save on resources. Therefore, it is more sustainable and eco-friendly. Not only the sustainability, but also the costs are an important factor in the decision whether we should renovate historic buildings or not. It can be more expensive to renovate an old building instead of building a new one. However, with monument protection, you can receive taxes back from the government. Furthermore, the value of the building potentially can increase. Mostly, it is more cost efficient to renovate a historic house than to build a new one. Monument protection ensures that the building cannot be falsified and that historical culture is preserved. This is why you cannot change the base of a historical building. But is this a problem for the architectures or not? The Monument Protection Office has to be permanently involved in the planning process. The monument protection assumes the function of the builder. The monument protection is an exciting challenge for the architects. Renovating historic buildings in a sustainable way is possible, but are there any exceptions where it is not possible or not worth renovating old buildings?
There are a lot of buildings that are not worth to refurbish it, because once they are damaged in a huge way, then it just doesn't make any sense.
There are many different reasons why it is worth renovating. Firstly, it is more sustainable and eco-friendly than building new, and it is cheaper and more cost-efficient to renovate an old house. But there are also some houses that cannot be renovated due to severe damage or decaying material.